In this video, I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp buttons to Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you can just head on over and scroll down until you reach the apps right here. So click on apps and let's search in here for WhatsApp. So in here, let's just head on over and search WhatsApp in Shopify App Store. And then this will open a new tab as you can see, and it will search App Store for this one. So you can see a lot of Shopify integration for WhatsApp, but what I can recommend you the most is the CK WhatsApp chat abandoned because this is built for Shopify and this has a 5-star review. So let's head on over and click on this one. Then from in there, click on install. And as you can see, it will ask for permission in order to install this specific application on your Shopify. So let's just wait for this, and then from in there, click on install. And then once you have clicked on this, it will show itself on your apps, on your actual Shopify store. So you can edit it out however you want, and you should be able to see all of the things that you need to set up in order to add this thing on your Shopify. So let's just wait for this. And as you can see, there's some event cards recover, cart volume, all of that's right here. You can also set up the automation. You can see in here that you have your checklist of 6 tasks that you need to complete in order to make sure that this actually integrates itself on you. So make sure that you do everything right here. And once you've done everything, you should be able to integrate WhatsApp on your Shopify. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.